Hi, good morning and welcome to this special broadcast for North Devon TV. As you will probably be aware already, we're being ravaged here in Ilfracombe by high winds and heavy rains. Already we're getting reports of damage to power cables. Long Lane in Combe Martin, I'm told, is now closed to everything but cars. And is likely to remain so for quite some time. The weather forecast is that this is going to continue for a while, so I would extremely urge caution on all of the roads throughout North Devon. If you have any information to pass on to us, please give us a call on 07050 644 101. So for North Devon TV, this is me from a windswept Ilfracombe, Dave Baxter, signing off and wishing you a great and careful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.